Well, here we are, Christmas Day morning, and the dogs are having their Christmas morning breakfast. They're Skinner's biscuits, Skinner Junior biscuits, and a little bit of juicy jelly that was left over from the Three Bird roast. Just a little bit in there to moisten up their biscuits, and wow, they're waffing it down. So Merry Christmas to all of you. Hope you have a wonderful day. Where's Holly and Tilly? Here's Holly. There's Holly. Where are you, Tills? Tilly. There she is. Good girl. Sit up. Good girl. Say happy Christmas to everybody. And Holly. And Trigger and Reggie. Have a good one, folks.
What you got? Oh my god, there's 2 tennis balls. Or should we have some stars? Should we have some stars? Some stars? Sit. Sit. Tilly. Reggie. Tilly. Trick. Are those yummy? Shit. Another one. Go see Stephanie. Look. There. Go on, Holmes. Holmes, what's this? They're yum. Do you want a chicken sausage as well?
Sit. You.
Oh, wait, sit up. Don't give him a Father Christmas because he's a huge thing. I don't know where the Father Christmas are. They look like. You're so cute. Right, you've had a lot of treats now. Good boys and girls. Hey, good boys. Well, you play with the paper. They've all got a Father Christmas. Holly. So give them. Holly, what's this? Right, should we get rid of the treats so you can play with the toys? Because we want you to play with the toys. Go on, Tails. No, you don't know, Trig. Come here, it's the ball.
What you got, Tills? What you got, Tills? Tilly, what you got? What you got? Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Hey. We've had a good Christmas day. Okay, folks. Thanks a lot. Merry Christmas.